Hello, you lot. So most of you must have been thinking, great, we haven't heard from those tosspots at Nutjob for ages. But for whatever reason, you couldn't resist clicking that thumbnail, and here you are. So now you must be thinking, who the feck is this American dude with a really full-on annoying accent and happy crappy YouTube tune in the background? My name's Chad. So you've probably guessed by now that I'm computer generated. I'm not real. That's correct. Think about it, that's not a bad thing. It means there's one less American on the planet than you thought there was just a second ago. Bonus. So the reason I'm here, and not one of the other guys, is that I'm far cheaper than a British TV presenter. But the flip side is my voice is really, really whiny. If you've listened this far, well done. So what's the real reason I'm here? Just to give you a quick update, really. So nutjobdotcom has been bought by this really big American tech firm for $3 billion squillion. Ben left his wife and kids and moved to Acapulco. He kept the crappy camper vans, though. Some of the lads went to Slaughterhouse Customs near Burgess Hill, working mostly on T-25s. Check them out if you get a chance. Vero and Beardy Paul are running the printers at the workshop. The big hairy dog, Marley, is still there too. There's also a really handsome bloke wandering about. He's really busy and very important. I'm not sure who that is. The workshop's being emptied of the last VW vans and parts. The rest of the guys are busy working on new AI-generated creations instead. Apparently, there's less risk of them burning the workshop down. You can check out their latest work on the Insta feed at nutjob.com, where you can also suggest what rides you might want them to create next. We all love a good ride, right? There's a lot of Volkswagens, but there's all kinds of weird and wonderful other shite there too. Soon you'll be able to order prints and other stuff that you don't really need. Anyway, that's me pretty much done. So if you're still watching, that's actually pretty sad. Still, I suppose it's better listening to me and not a twatty British fella, right? Comments down below. I'm not convinced artificial intelligence wrote this video script. Maybe just a lack of intelligence altogether. I know one thing for sure. It definitely wasn't that hairy fat bloke with glasses who's had a beer or three too many, who wishes he really was in Acapulco. Anyway, see you next Tuesday apparently. Is this going on YouTube?